So namaste everyone, my name is Anuragini and currently I am working as an assistant manager in training. So one word I got to say about Abhishek, not one word but one sentence, that the more I meet him, the more he confuses me. Now that means that it's been close to 15 years now that I have been working, and this is the second workshop with him, and I just realized how much I don't know. And I'm so happy that I realized it now, and that's only because of Abhishek. So second workshop, I'm taking lots of learning with me, and I got to practice that in my life to evolve better professionally. That's about it. And I would say this to anyone who is watching this right now. If you're working in any kind of sector, and I would say specifically if you've got to do with, say, sales, training, please do visit the workshop of Abhishek Tula, because you learn that there's so much you don't know, and once you learn, you only grow from there. So yeah, thank you so much, Abhishek and team.